So, good morning, guys. We are preparing for an audit. An audit for... I have a grease on my face. So, again, good morning. We are preparing, vessel is preparing for an audit inspection with the crane. So, part of an audit is for the crane operator to be ready for anything that might be thrown by the assessor inspector to him. Now, gentlemen, if I am an assessor, which I will be, that's my goal. Knowing that I will be embarking on a crane whose crane operator have been there for a long time, I will check the CV. He has been there for a long time, so he is very competent. He has been assessed by all other bodies of assessment before me. So if I am an assessor, I will focus minimally on the questions: how we operate the crane, what are the functions of his crane, because as per his records, he is already competent. He has been there for a long time. So get it? I will grill him instead on letting him recite, enumerate, explain to me what are the emergency procedures of his crane, emergency recovery procedure. So let me orient you with the crane that I am on at the moment. So we have two scenarios: loss of full power of the crane. Full power meaning 240 and 690. So a jumper cable, when that happens, you have total no control on the crane, blackout on your HMI or human machine interface. So what will happen? You have to take out jumper cable from the base of the pedestal. So it is located below. You have to pull out jumper cable, bring it up here to the king house, connect red to red, be easily identifiable, red to red, connect blue to blue, and standby. Now this is a remote control, emergency remote control panel, wired. So you have to grab this, connect it to the connecting port, standby. Now on your panel that's here, be sure, since you are already on blackout, switch it to emergency panel. Switch it to emergency, meaning you will take control of the crane from the emergency panel. And on your pump, emergency pump start unit, you make sure that it is on the local switch. So local switch, standby. Now you have to open and close a set of valves for emergency crane operations. So that valve below with the red tag will remain open. It is always open for normal crane operation as well as with emergency crane operation. It will be always open. Then you have to open this valve, put it into emergency use position, and notice that it is closed. You have to open this valve, put it into open position, and you have to close this valve. When everything else is ready, go to your emergency pump starter panel. Again, review the valves. Always open. You will open, and you will close. Second review of the valve is already done. Then go to the emergency pump starter panel. Be sure that it is on the local switch and then start the pump. And then you have this emergency control panel wherein you will be taking control of the crane in a very slow motion because you will be using only the emergency pump. It's a very small pump which is barely enough power for minimal speed and motion. Should you be employing your tugger winches, you will need one extra hand. He will be manning the solenoid control valves from inside the king house. So it is important that you get in touch with him if you happen to be hooked up with a tugger winch. So safe lifting, guys. Hope I enlightened it to you, and I reiterated to please be familiar with your crane. Know the emergency lowering procedure, as sometimes the assessor will have the same thinking as me. So okay, safe lifting, God bless.